Welcome to the Circuit Switch YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see about BMS system architecture in the modern day building and general BMS system architecture with levels. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video like this you will be notified. So let's start the video. However, a BMS system controls and monitors all the electrical and mechanical systems in buildings from BMS workstation or HMI, but not directly because each system has its dedicated functionality and unique purposes. Like HVAC system helps to facilitate and provide comfortable and healthy air conditioning to tenants. The lighting control system, which has a variety of lightings in buildings that needs to be on and off effectively and save energy while tenants not available. CCTV helps to facility management to secure the building. Access control systems may also be used to control access in the certain areas located within the interior of buildings. A fire alarm system is the life safety system to warn people by audio and visual to protect their lives from fires, smoke, carbon monoxide and other toxic elements for the human. In case of firefighting system aims to protect human life and property in the building by a large amount of water and other gas. UPS is to provide the uninterrupted power supply in the building for electrical equipment. Pumping system used in the buildings to pump the water to the required area. Still, tons of systems involved in the modern day building to facilitate the people. All systems have their dedicated controllers and processing system due to the different functionality of each system. So, BMS controller or device designed for controlling and monitoring the HVAC system and other small systems and integrate all other systems through dedicated networking protocols like BACnet, Modbus, etc. General BMS system architecture with levels. The first level is management level. This is the front end for operator and engineer used to visualize the graphics for controlling and monitoring the systems which have computer, workstation, server, web browser, printers. And the next level is automation level. In automation level, BMS router and other main controllers connected in building network integrate the third party system and connect BMS devices. And the last level, field device level. This is level where BMS controller connect to field system sensors, actuators and other panel circuits to monitor and control.